Hello guys, good evening. Successfully we completed the customized thing for SFS school, one of the biggest school in Visakhapatnam, and it has a very good atmosphere to work here, and it's very good opportunity given by Aina Reddy Garu, and this is the work done by Rhombus Interiors. See, from knowledge to nature. So these are the two guys who stood back for this wallpaper, worked from morning to evening, and they successfully completed. So he is the senior marketing person, Swami Naidu. And Mr. Bala, well experienced worker, and he is newly appointed and well skilled but very naughty guy who work very good. So this is the book, very from knowledge to nature. So this is the biggest wall, which the first project we have done with more measurements. So you can see the school environmental. Yeah, you can see these are the biggest towers in Visakhapatnam. Okay, once again, thank you all. It's time for dinner. Okay, bye bye.